Hello my dear students, today I will teach grammar part, that is verb. Students, do you know what is verb? What are the examples of the verb? Yes, let me discuss in today's class. Okay dear? Verbs. A complete sentence is made up of a subject and a predicate. The main word in a predicate is a verb. Verb performs different functions. There are some verbs show the actions of a subject. Link the subject to the noun or adjective in the predicate. The last one is work as helping verbs with the main verbs. Action words or action verbs tells what the subject of a sentence does. Action verbs divided into two groups, physical and mental. Physical action verbs tells us about an action that can be seen. For example, cry and slam. Mental action verbs tells us about cannot be seen. For example, forget and think. Linking verbs, also called being verbs, do not show action. Instead, they link or join the subject to a word or a word in the predicate. Linking verbs tells us what the subject is or is like. Linking verbs. She is a girl. She seems happy. Common linking verbs form to the infinite verbs to be formed is, am, or was, were, shall be, will be, being, been. To have form of a linking verbs has, had, had. Other linking verbs. They look like action verbs but are mostly used as a linking verbs. To check the functions of such a verbs in a sentence, interchange it with any to be verb. If the meaning stays the same, then it is a linking verbs. The perfume smelled divine. The perfume was divine. Linking verbs or being verbs function as helping verbs in some sentences. Ram is writing a letter. Is writing helping verbs. Modal verbs also functions as helping verbs. Can, may, will, shall, could, might, would, should. Common helping verbs is, am, or, was, were, shall be, will be, being, been. The form of the to be verbs do, does, doing, did, done functions as main verbs or helping verbs mostly in the question and negative sentences. So these are all to be form of the word or to do, questions and negative. Helping verbs come before the main verbs. A verb phrase many consist of more than one helping verb. May have a pronoun or an adverb between in the helping and main verbs. Does the want something? Students, have you understood what we have discussed in today's class? Yes, verb and examples of the verbs, right? Have you understood? Yes, hope you all understood, students. Thank you.